Another beautiful day here in Sanford, Queensland. And look at that, half DC3, half car. But I'm here with an absolute weapon itself and a weapon man. Richard, welcome to Blokes World.
No, how you going?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate. What can you tell me about your Ford? Is it an XW? Or
It's an XW Brambles Red GS Falcon 500 with a black vinyl roof, and it's the only one that Ford made in that build sheet, so it's one of one.
One of one?
It's one of one.
Whoa.
So it's got, instead of having a C block, it's got an A block, which is a Carroll Shelby used in the 350 GTs. I've had it since 1973. I bought it off two guys I went to school with. It's original interior, original roof.
I've never seen one with a vinyl roof on it.
Yeah, well, that's original roof. They were very rare. Carpet was changed in 75, but the rest of the car is original. And even in the boot here, and I'll just show you this thing is how you're interested. This here, in here, and I can get the boot open, that's the original rubber boot mat, which is 54-year-old.
Wow. Wow, that is amazing. So you've had it that long?
I bought it off two guys I went to school with in 1973.
Yep.
The original owner had it a week. He traded back into Metropolitan Motors and then bought a transit van and a Capri. Keith Hamilton, who was the head mechanic's son, Garth, bought it. He sold it to his brother Bruce. I bought it to his brother, and I've had it ever since. It's only done 169,000 original miles.
Whoa. So for the past 53 years, you've been saying to yourself, they still have made a better car than mine.
Oh, I haven't said that.
Yeah. I would.
You would.
I would easily say that.
But that's the original vinyl roof.
Man, that is so trick.
So it's a fairly rare car. We're doing the All Ford Day out at Willowbank on the 19th of July, and we'll probably get this year, because the Falcon GT Owners Club run it, we'll probably get 2,000 cars.
Wow, that's awesome. I mean, I had a replica, and it was nowhere near as good as this.
But that's the original mud flaps on the car, and it's got original Ford tow bar on it. From new.
Just goes to show you, when things are made right, they can last forever, can't they?
Yeah, well, I repainted it in 25 years ago, I think 26 years ago now, and it was painted in Glazurate, so it's Brambles Red, which was Moffat's race car colour.
Oh, Richard, thank you so much for your time. Have a fantastic day. That was awesome.
Righto, good to talk to you.
Unreal, good to speak to you.
Bye.
You put a smile on my face.